Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel to Crypto Iceland. Today we are going to talk about best TRX mining app. So guys, you can earn a lot of money by this app. So I will tell you complete process that how you can create an account, register on this app and deposit, and I will tell you how you can get withdraw. Complete process will be shown in this video. So you need to watch this video completely. First of all, just you need to open the app, and I have provided the link of this app. So if you open the Play Store, just search here Tron TRX. So I search Tron TRX WS. If you search Tron TRX WS, you will see this app. Just click on this app and install now. So I have already installed the app. So I click on open and open the app. After this, click on register button and just type here information like type here username, enter the password, enter recommendation code, enter the same recommendation code 620120. Just type my invitation code, so I will get the extra reward. So just please type my invitation code and type here your area code plus phone number. Then type here email and click on register. So I have already an account, so I log in my account, and then I will tell you that how you can make money. So guys, after registration you will see the latest announcement of this app. To active the account, a deposit of 5 TRX is required and a minimum deposit of 100 TRX is recommended to receive benefit. And you will see all the details about this app. And if you recharge, you can see the principal cannot be withdrawn in advance. The basic account has a daily mining income of 9 से लेकर 27%. And if you deposit in VIP 1 level, if you deposit इतने से लेकर इतने TRX, daily withdraw will be 9%. VIP 1 deposit, VIP 2 deposit 1, you can deposit itne TRX and daily withdrawal will be 10%. And if you deposit itne TRX, you will get 11% daily withdrawal. VIP 4, if you deposit itne TRX, you will get daily withdrawal 12%. VIP 5 level, you deposit itne TRX, daily withdrawal 14%. And VIP 6, if you deposit itne TRX, you will withdraw 16%. VIP 7, deposit itne TRX and daily withdrawal 18%. You can see all details of recharging TRX. If in VIP 10, deposit itne TRX, daily withdrawal 27%. You can see all the detail. I click on close, and you can see if you register on this app, you will receive 9000 TRX for free as experience. So you can see all the details. Home page, instant quiets, TRX, USD, Doge, USD, ETH, USDT, and you can see a profit withdrawal live, and see the global partners like Tron, Dogecoin, CoinDCX, Bitmain, Tether, Coinbase, Binance, etc. are the global partners of this app. So first of all, I tell you that how you can recharge on this app. Just click on mine. Click on mine and click on deposit button. So I click on deposit button, then choose a transfer to basic account. So I click on transfer to basic account, then you can choose TRX and ETH BEP20. Various method for deposit are available. So I recommend you TRX. So I click on choose button. Then you can copy the address and go to your wallet. So I open Trust Wallet. I have Trust Wallet. Then open Trust Wallet. So I put my passcode. After opening, just I click on Tron button. Click on Tron and click on send. Then type paste recipient address. Then type here the amount. So if you want to deposit your amount TRS amount for deposit, so I click on continue button. Then click on confirm, and you can easily deposit your TRX on this app. So I already deposit on this site. So I go back, and you can see mining income current yield 9 से लेकर 10%. You can see. So you can see here I have successfully received 9 TRX yesterday, and I already received many trading profit. So I again receive 9 TRX today daily yield. So I click on receive button, 9 TRX I receive. You can see 9 TRX has been okay, and so you can see here my balance has been increased. Now I share, now I tell you the another method of earning. If you click on share and copy the link and share with friends, and you can earn a lot of money by inviting your friend. You can see a invitation of your invitation code, and you can see your copy link. You can see your invitation link. Just copy the link and share with friends, and you can earn a lot of money by inviting your friends. So if you click on guide, you can get the guide of this app. So you can see all the detail. If you want to check your team report, just click on team. Then you can see all the TRS bonus, bonus record, my promotion bonus, bonus record. You can see here. I go back, and now I tell you that how you can withdraw. If you have any question problems, you can contact the customer service. If you have you are facing any problem, you can get help from them. So I tell you that how you can get withdraw. So simply click on withdrawal. I click on withdrawal, then type amount. So I type my amount, then choose withdraw account. So I already add digital currency wallet TRX. You need to first of all you have to add digital currency wallet like TRX. So I already add, so I click on this button, and simply type your password. So guys, I have successfully sent the request of withdrawal of 9 TRX. You can see still pending. So I wait. It will receive within 1 minute. You can see you can see here. I have successfully received withdrawal of 9 TRX in my trust wallet. You can see I have showed live withdrawal proof of 9 TRX. This app is 100% real. You can earn a lot of money by this app. So I have provided the link of this app. You can create an account, earn a lot of money. I have received the withdrawal. I have showed live proof, withdrawal proof. The withdrawal will receive within 1 minute. So I hope you like my video and share with friends. So thank you for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.